Chapter 14. My mother comes in with a to-go bag from Angelo's. Lasagna? I ask. She beams as she opens the sack. What else? It smells heavenly, and for the first time since I got rushed into Mercy Hospital, I'm hungry. Really, truly hungry. Oh, thank you, I say, scooting up in bed so she can wheel the tray across my lap. It takes a few scoots because the stump is very tender. Still mad at the world. Hospital regulations say that I have to wear a gown, so when I'm situated, my mother shakes out a napkin, tucks it in my gown collar, and fusses until everything's arranged and I'm digging in. I tell her with a contented smile. It's wonderful. She's relieved. I know. And I'm happy too not to be pretending. Angelo's lasagna is amazing on any ordinary day, but at this moment it is the best thing I have ever tasted. I close my eyes and just savor it. And then an excruciating pain shoots up my leg. My eyes fly open and I scream. Get off my leg! Only my mother is nowhere near my leg. She's standing right beside me. Something's on my leg. I cry, get it off! There's nothing on your leg, she says, looking from me to the covers, back to me. Absolutely nothing. I'm at the slant and I can't really see what's past the hospital tray. But I know she's crazy. The pain is so real, so strong. There's something on my shin. Twist my foot. I shove the tray aside before I remember that I don't have a shin or a foot. Another phantom pain? My mother asks quietly. I nod and stare at the flat covers where my foot should be. Every time I have a phantom pain, it freaks me out. They are unpredictable and always different. Sometimes the missing part of my leg burns. Sometimes it stabs. Sometimes it feels twisted. Sometimes it's a combination. The nerves are cut, but they are still connected to my brain. Do you want me to get the nurse? My mother asks, and her glowing face has been replaced by a pale, worried one. No, I tell her, it's going away. But I'm panting, sweating. Her mouth quivers uncertainly. Are you sure? I nod and pull the tray back toward me. And after a minute, I pretend to be hungry, but really I'm not. The pain has made me nauseous. And on the other side of the tray, I can still feel my leg. It may be gone, but it's not stopping it from insisting it's still there.